Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now. Hold your phone camera ready and a flashlight in the other hand. Walk the aisle slowly and scan ceilings, walls, speaker grills, and vents with a steady gaze. Lenses catch light. Once you see a reflective pinprick, make a mental note of its exact location and row. If you have polarized sunglasses, glance through them to reduce glare and reveal hidden glass. If you own an RF/IR detector, power it on and keep it sweeping low and high. You now test detection. Open your phone camera and point it steadily at suspicious spots while recording. Night and IR LEDs often show as white or purple dots on the screen. Once an RF detector gives a spike, move sideways and forward to triangulate the strongest signal. Mark the spot with a discrete indicator. Then, get closer but without touching. Peer into speaker holes, seams, and HVAC grills. Shine a flashlight at an oblique angle to reveal hidden lenses by reflection. You finalize by confirming any candidate. Hold the flashlight at an angle and watch for a tiny reflection. Photograph it with timestamp and note row/seat numbers. Once confirmed, notify venue staff calmly and request security. Hand over photos and location details so they can act. If staff won't help, leave and report to authorities later. If your device gives false negatives, rescan after several minutes and perform a tactile inspection from a safe distance. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.